The Cartesian coordinate system. Named after René Descartes, this system uses two perpendicular number lines called axes. The horizontal line is the x-axis, and the vertical line is the y-axis. Their intersection is the origin, denoted O, with coordinates 0, 0. The plane is divided into 4 quadrants. In quadrant 1, both x and y are positive. In quadrant 2, x is negative and y is positive. In quadrant 3, both are negative. In quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. Any point P in the plane is represented as an ordered pair x, y, called its coordinates. Watch the point move to different positions. The distance formula. Given 2 points A with coordinates x1, y1 and B with coordinates x2, y2, the distance between them is the square root of x2 minus x1 whole squared plus y2 minus y1 whole squared. This comes from the Pythagorean theorem. We draw a right triangle with horizontal side x2 minus x1 and vertical side y2 minus y1. The hypotenuse is the distance AB. Example, find the distance between A at 1, 2 and B at 4, 6. Apply the formula, square root of 4 minus 1 whole squared plus 6 minus 2 whole squared. That gives square root of 9 plus 16, which is square root of 25, equals 5 units. The distance is 5. The section formula. If a point P divides the line segment joining A at x1, y1 and B at x2, y2 in the ratio m to n, then the coordinates of P are mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the internal division formula. For external division, replace n with negative n. Example, find the point dividing A at 2, 3 and B at 8, 7 in the ratio 2 to 1. Px equals 2 times 8 plus 1 times 2 divided by 2 plus 1 equals 18 over 3 equals 6. Py equals 2 times 7 plus 1 times 3 divided by 2 plus 1 equals 17 over 3 equals 5.67. So P is at 6, 17 over 3. Watch P slide along AB to the exact position. Special case, the midpoint formula. When m equals n, meaning the ratio is 1 to 1, the midpoint M has coordinates x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Simply the average of the coordinates. The midpoint always lies exactly halfway between the 2 points. Locus and its equation. A locus is the set of all points that satisfy a given geometric condition. The path traced by a point moving under a specific rule is its locus. To find the equation of a locus, step 1, let the moving point be P at x, y. Step 2, write the given geometric condition using the coordinates. Step 3, simplify to get the equation in x and y. Example, find the locus of a point P that is equidistant from A at 1, 0 and B at negative 1, 0. Let P be x, y, distance PA equals distance PB, square root of x minus 1 squared plus y squared equals square root of x plus 1 squared plus y squared. Squaring, x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared equals x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus y squared. Simplify, minus 4x equals 0, so x equals 0. The locus is the y-axis. Watch P trace the y-axis, always equidistant from A and B. Slope of a line. The slope measures how steep a line is. For a line passing through points x1, y1 and x2, y2, the slope m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is rise over run. A positive slope means the line goes upward from left to right. A negative slope means it goes downward. Zero slope is a horizontal line. Undefined slope is a vertical line. The angle theta that a line makes with the positive x-axis satisfies m equals tan theta. Let's see slopes visually. A line with slope 1 rises at 45 degrees. Slope 2 is steeper. Slope 1/2 is gentler. Slope -1 goes downward at 45 degrees. Horizontal line has slope 0. Vertical line has undefined slope. Notice, as the slope increases from 0, the line tilts more and more upward. Parallel and perpendicular lines. Two lines are parallel if and only if they have the same slope. M1 equals M2. They never meet. Two lines are perpendicular if and only if the product of their slopes is -1. M1 times M2 equals -1. Or equivalently, M2 equals -1 over M1. Perpendicular lines meet at 90 degrees. Example, line 1 has slope 2. A line parallel to it also has slope 2. A line perpendicular to it has slope -1/2. Watch the parallel line slide, it stays the same angle. Now watch the perpendicular line, it makes a perfect right angle. Intercepts of a line. The x-intercept is the x-coordinate where the line crosses the x-axis, that is, where y equals 0. The y-intercept is the y-coordinate where the line crosses the y-axis, that is, where x equals 0. The intercept form of a line is x over a plus y over b equals 1, where a is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. Example, the line to x plus 3y equals 6. For x-intercept, put y equals 0 to x equals 6, so x equals 3. The x-intercept is 3. For y-intercept, put x equals 0, 3y equals 6, so y equals 2. The y-intercept is 2. In intercept form, x over 3 plus y over 2 equals 1. Watch the line cross the axis at these exact points. G tips for coordinate geometry. Tip 1. Distance formula is just Pythagoras. Visualize the right triangle. Tip 2. Section formula, always keep track of the ratio direction. M is towards the second point. Tip 3. For locus problems, let P be x, y and translate the condition into algebra. Tip 4. Parallel lines have equal slopes, perpendicular have product -1. Tip 5. Intercept form x over a plus y over b equals 1 is very fast for finding line equations when intercepts are known. Like and subscribe for more JEE Math solutions at MAGPIEHUB.